Hi everybody. So we're back, and we're gonna be talking about I don't know. The first thing that we keep thinking about is just rich people. We're gonna talk about rich people. If you're rich, don't get offended, or get offended, whatever. I don't care. So let's see. What's with the credit card? I mean, I'm not gonna say anything about people with
You can just carry cash in your pocket, people.
be normal cash. Okay. So yeah, I mean, even though they have credit cards, they still have to withdraw money to get money. They say, oh my God, I don't have cash. Okay. So yeah, rich people. It could be any yeah, we're not saying like people have credit cards. Anybody, like even poor people could have credit cards as long as it works. I mean, but rich people like everything credit cards. Like, oh, let's talk about people who pretend to be rich. Who do you know that pretends to be rich, but they're not really rich, but they pretend.
I have no idea.
See, I'm trying to think right now. No, that's not. We can't say names. I don't think we can say names, so we can't. You would know. You would not know who we're talking about. Okay, but yeah, rich people always have to go and buy stuff. And oh yeah, and don't take this offensive. Like people don't take it like, oh my God, like they'll be racist and stuff. Let's face it, every comedian out there like says a bunch of things that may offend you, but they're really just doing their job. They're just trying to make you laugh. It is not being racist. Okay, people do some jokes. I forgot what the term of that name is, but people do jokes that are racist, and they think it's they want to make it racist, like they are saying it because they're racist. But we're not like that. We're not racist. We have people that are
We
Mexican.
talk about it, but we're not racist.
Yeah, like we're not racist. Like seriously, like any other comedian can tell you that. Like I mean, when they talk about like that, those things, they are not really racist. They just
George
say
Lopez.
Yeah, that's a good one. So if you don't watch him, you should watch him. Shout out to him in case he watches.
Let's see.
We're famous on YouTube. Okay.
Nails. Let's talk about nails.
Yeah, you say that one because I don't know. Let's just.
You start with the white girls.
Let's go with the white girls first. Yeah.
White girls.
No, don't get offended. Don't get offended. All right.
Racist.
I'm gonna put something up here that says not being racist or not racist. For real, totally not.
Okay. You wanna start off with the Mexican girl or white girl?
Let's start with the Mexican because we have part Mexican in us. Like start with the Mexican girl.
Okay. When a Mexican girl breaks her nail, says, "Mira esta chingadera, I fucking broke my nail." See, I paid a shitload of money for this. Hell no. Okay, that's a Mexican girl.
That's a Mexican girl.
Yeah, that's a Mexican girl. Now
Second.
let's see a white girl.
Dos.
White girl.
Oh yeah, uno and two. What you gonna say, white girl?
White girl.
Oh, two. Okay. The first one's like uno.
Wait.
Two.
Dos.
Two. Okay, done.
Like a little rat. Okay. Anyways, you want me to say a white girl? Oh hell no! Don't make me start with that shit. Okay. A white girl says, "Oh, I broke a nail. I gotta go back to the nail shop." You know me? I'm trying to be like Mexican black girls, you know? Okay, no, shut up. Anyways, yeah, okay, let's go with the black girl. Damn! Okay, let's start it. Okay, when a Mexican girl breaks her nail, we said black, right? A black girl.
Yeah.
This is how she does it.
That's the third one. Black girl.
How she does it. Don't feel offended. Okay, here you go. Damn, I broke my nail.
Oh yeah, I think that's the funniest one because I've seen actually we have friends that are black, so don't feel offended. We are not racist. We have friends that are white. We have friends that are black. We have friends that are Mexican, so we don't feel offended. I mean, we just think it's funny when there are jokes involved. If you feel offended, just what you have to do is
comment.
No, well, if you feel offended, don't comment. Actually, just like forget about it. Like if you want to comment something cool and funny, you think it's funny, whatever, or if you want to request something for us to say,
so delicious.
comment it. But if you hate us for this, and you think it's we're very racist or whatever, just get out of this video. Don't even watch it. Don't even watch it, girlfriend. Just get out of that. So yeah, let's see what else.
Cornbread.
Okay. Yeah, let's talk about. Let's see. Yeah, it gets like that, but it's not really like. Anyways, what do we talk about? I think my boyfriend just got clawed by a cat. I don't know. He just said the word.
As you know, I'm eating a pig right now.
Babe, don't hit the cat.
Don't hit the cat.
I think he's getting
Damn, and next to tomorrow in the job, he's gonna have all that shit scratches on his face.
Yeah.
That's gotta be bad.
Okay, so let's see. I want to talk about somebody who I don't like. I don't know. I can't say the names of them, but I don't even know if I should mention them because I don't even know if to say their name or anything because they'll, whatever. So yeah, let's talk about somebody who we really, really thought they were acting like they were rich. No, not rich. They're acting like they're all that, but they're really not all that. Who are we talking about? I'm sorry, you guys. Like we're not really getting it right now, but we need some coffee. But yeah, let's see. Huh?
Oh, this feels good.
Oh, she's eating one of those like
Pigs.
pigs. What do you call pigs and
Marranitos.
marranitos? They're like little bread things. You don't know what they
Mexican
are.
food.
It's Mexican bread, okay, girlfriend or boyfriend. I mean, muchacho, chica.
So
whatever.
anyways,
Chica.
like
Okay.
I was saying, we're not trying to be racist.
Totally not.
Totally not. Okay, but white girl, you seriously gotta stop with the addiction of shopping.
Like shopaholic is a big word.
Mexican and black girls, we just ask for people, hey, I ain't got no cash, can I have some? Or can you buy me this? That shit, Yeah, and they
But we
buy
don't
for you
go
because
with
what? They
credit cards.
stupid. Like, my mom, she used to work as a landscaping. She used to be a manager. And this white girl, lady, whatever, says, oh, I think my Christmas tree is broken. Can you help me with it? I can't light it up. And the mom was like, all you do is just play, lady. She's so stupid.
And she was so stupid, yeah. So, I mean, yeah, like you see what I mean? Like you gotta be you're rich, and you don't even know how to work a Christmas tree.
A black girl just gets a random tree from outside and then just put lights all over it.
I mean, even Mexicans, like
yeah,
when they're under the bridge, they find the Christmas tree. They don't even have to look for one. They just find it. They go, oh, look, a tree. Just like with animals, like who the hell? I'm sorry, I love animals to death. I love them. Not recently. This year, early on this year, I lost my doggy. Her name was Lady, and her original name was Princess, but she was a Shih Tzu. Yeah, so I love dogs. I love animals, any animal. But anyways, yeah, like you don't have to go and talk about like, oh my God, we're gonna go adopt a pet. Let's go and name him. Let's go do this and that and that and that. We just look out the street.
getaway. You go outside, we see a cat, dog. Which one do we get? The dog. Okay, let's bring it inside the house.
That's all we do. I mean, you don't. And then we'll put him a collar. We name him whatever we want. We feed him the right food and everything.
We're not like those white bitches go to the adoption. Oh my God, I like this. Can I name
credit
it?
card. I'm kidding.
Credit card. Credit card. No.
So yeah, but we're not saying anything really bad. Actually, we're not. I mean, don't feel offended. If you feel offended, just exit this video. You don't even need to watch.
Oh yeah, we're running out of time.
Yeah, we're almost close to 10 minutes. So see you in the next video, guys, and don't feel offended for anything. All right.
Don't.
So we send you guys our love. Bye.
Bye.